Today we're gonna talk about بفرمایید. If you are learning Persian, there's one specific word that could be used everywhere, believe me, everywhere, and that word is بفرمایید. Dictionary says it could mean here you go or please. But if you watch Persian movies, it's beyond than that. First and the most common use of it could be offering something to someone. For example, in English you say take this food, beverages, gift, whatever. But in Persian we say بفرمایید.
مرسی ممنونم
بفرمایید خواهش می‌کنم.
بفرمایید.
ممنونم مرسی.
بفرمایید.
See, in these cases it means here you are, help yourself, or here is your tea, or whatever you're offering to that person. Now, what's the second usage? Now imagine this. Someone is at your door, you want to invite them, and you don't say come on in. You say the same exact word. بفرمایید.
بفرمایید خواهش میکنم
بفرمایید.
بفرمایید
بفرمایید خواهش می‌کنم.
بفرمایید. شما
In this scenario, it means please honor me by coming to my house, or simply welcome. The next one is purely about respect. When two people enter the door at the same time, or when you want to invite someone to sit before you, you just simply say بفرمایید. Here بفرمایید means after you, or please have a seat.
بفرمایید خواهش میکنم. شما بفرمایید خواهش میکنم.
It's even used when you're answering the telephone or you want to permit someone to speak. So here it means I'm just listening to you, or please go ahead, speak.
بفرمایید.
بفرمایید.
بفرمایید
To better understand what بفرمایید means, just have a closer look at the tonality of the speaker and also the body language. So it helps you understand how to use it, when to use it, and what that person means. So whenever you're watching Iranian movies, pay close attention to it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Let's speak Farsi together. This is Mahdi Birjandi.